Already?
Yes, man.
Damn, no, that fool is laughing at you right now. On his way to the hospital.
It's live on.
Yeah.